Hello everyone, I'm back with new innovative videos on Node.js. As we have gone through many videos on Node.js with MySQL database, different operation on MySQL database using Node.js, then login app using Node.js with MySQL, and many more videos on MySQL with Node.js. Today's video is really interesting and innovative. It will be performing in this video. I will be performing different operation on database MySQL, such as display all records and insert operation. So let us go through the main JavaScript file app.js. Here is a driver which is required for MySQL connectivity, then connection string, then if the connection is succeed, then connected should be displayed, then displaying all the records from author. Here it will fire the message record data received from database, and I will be adding new record insert operation Aniket Patil Delhi, and that's all. And Express framework, lightweight framework in Node.js, port number 3000. Now I will execute the program. Yes, it is telling that last record inserted is 7. Now up till now 6 record inserted. So again I will execute the program. Yes, Aniket Patil has been inserted and Delhi. So I successfully done with insert and display and record operation on Node.js on MySQL database using Node.js. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends. I will be back with more videos on Node.js, Python, Streamlit, PHP, machine learning. Thanks for watching.